Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video of type conversion, we are going to convert from one object to another object of different classes. So let us create a simple class. That's it. I'm writing class A, C small by the way, and I have written a variable name A, public A, and int x, A is equal to x. So we have created one class. Class B, taking a variable int m, public B, int let's say x, m is equal to x. Right? There are two different classes that we have created. In the main, I created the class object obj2 and B obj1 3, right? Now it's time to convert one class to another class. So let me tell you, wherever your class type conversion is being done, earlier user defined data type, when it is assigned to any value, in that particular class you have to define the operator function, right? So if I am writing obj1 is equal to obj, it means I am assigning this obj which is of class A into obj1 of class B. Earlier when I assigned, we have been using a single class which is class A. In the previous video, what we discussed. So in class A we converted it using operator function and we wrote operator in. Now over here what we will do is that we are converting into, we are going to assign one class to another class, one object to another object. I must use operator function, but operator function must be used which is getting converted into. So that particular means I have to apply an operator function. Now where should I apply it? The class A or class B? Clearly the point is we are converting into class B, so we are using operator function over here, right? And over here we are converting into class B, so we are going to write operator B over here. And guys, I can access this value. I can give A is equal to, let's say, 75, and I can display this A value. It's up to you how you have to entirely access this particular class. So whenever this happens, this answer over here gets accessed, and you can go only write obj.show, and clearly over here A value which is 75 to be shown. That's how it actually works out. Wherever the conversion is being done, you have to apply the operator function in that class. That's how class to class type conversion works. If there is any kind of doubt, you can put it in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support.